Enrolling your thumbprint to your biometric card is quick and easy. Insert your card into the sleeve. A blinking green light means that your card is ready to enroll. Align the bottom of your nail over the center of the sensor. Slowly place your thumb flat on the sensor. Lift your finger when the light goes off. Repeat 4 times. Next, vary the position of your thumb slightly to capture the outer parts of your thumbprint. If you see a red and green light on the sleeve, it means that the last scan needs to be redone. Don't worry, just put your thumb back on the sensor. When you see a steady green light, this means you are done. Now let's do the enrollment again. 4 centered touches, followed by 6 slightly varied touches. After 10 successful touches, you will see a steady green light. The enrollment is complete, and you can remove the card from the sleeve. When you use your card to pay, remember to hold it in the same way as you did during the enrollment process.